अगर क्लास 9 के स्टूडेंट्स हो, एग्जाम में पॉलिनोमियल्स आने वाला है, तो ध्यान रखना इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस को आप जरूर करके जाएं। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, एग्जाम में आया तो 3 या 5 नंबर का जरूर आएगा। वैसे भी क्लास 9 में 5 मार्क के क्वेश्चंस बनाना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, इतनी इजीली बन नहीं रहे, इतने सारे टॉपिक्स नहीं बचे हैं। तो इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस का 3 या 5 मार्क्स की वेटेज में आने के चांसेस उतने ही बढ़ जाते हैं। तो इस क्वेश्चन को करने के बेसिकली हमारे पास दो मेथड्स हैं। एक मेथड है हम लॉन्ग डिवीजन को यूज करें, विच इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, वेरी टाइम टेकिंग, और उसके अंदर रिस्क फैक्टर बहुत है, मिस्टेक्स हो जाती हैं। जो दूसरा मेथड है वो कंपैरेटिवली बहुत ज्यादा इजी है, उसके अंदर मिस्टेक के चांसेस भी कंपैरेटिवली बहुत कम है, तो हम उस मेथड को फॉलो करेंगे। तो उससे पहले जिससे हम स्टार्ट करें, एक बारी क्वेश्चन को समझ लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन है क्या? क्वेश्चन कह रहा है इफ यानी आपको गिवन कंडीशन है कि दिस x+2 and x-3 are the factors of the polynomial this. The polynomial is cubic over there, where a and b are constants. आपको उन्हें find करना है, you have to find them. All right, तो यहाँ पर आपको ध्यान से समझने की जरूरत है. You need to understand. We have a polynomial px which is cubic, that is given to us. So that is x cube plus ax square minus 7x plus b. This is my first polynomial. The degree is 3. All right. Then after that, I have what? I have this x plus 2 with me. So I am naming it as gx. So I am writing let gx be x plus 2 and let qx be the third one, that is x minus 1. And these two are what? These two are the factors. Are the factors of the given polynomial px. All right. px हम ऑलरेडी मेंशन कर चुके हैं एक बारी के क्या है, उसको दोबारा मेंशन करने की रिक्वायरमेंट यहाँ पर नहीं. ऑल राइट. नाउ अभी आप लोगों ने क्लास 9 में एक थ्योरम पढ़ी होगी, रिमाइंडर थ्योरम एंड फैक्टर थ्योरम. बेसिकली रिमाइंडर थ्योरम जो है वो आपकी जो लेटेस्ट बुक्स है उसमें से उसको रिमूव कर दिया गया है, खाली फैक्टर थ्योरम कोर्स में है, बट उसी की एक्सटेंशन है. तो यहाँ पर आपको गिवन है ऑलरेडी कि ये दो फैक्टर्स हैं हमारे पास, gx एंड qx आर दी फैक्टर्स. तो अगर कोई पोलिनोमियल, कोई लीनियर पोलिनोमियल किसी दूसरे नॉन लीनियर पोलिनोमियल का फैक्टर होता है, तो उस पोलिनोमियल के जीरो पर आपका जो डिवाइजर पोलिनोमियल, डिविडेंड पोलिनोमियल है, वो उसकी वैल्यू 0 आएगी. तो हम इसको केस वाइज करेंगे. आई एम राइटिंग इट एज केस 1. ऑलराइट. सो अगर मैं इस वाले केस को डिस्कस करना चाहूं, केस 1, व्हेन gx is a factor of px, what does it mean? This means if I'll put gx is equals to 0, I will get x plus 2 is equals to 0. That means I'll get x is equals to minus 2. I'll get this is equals to minus 2. After that, what we do, basically, when we are given that this is a 0, what we do, we can say that, so by factor theorem, value of the polynomial p at minus 2 has to be 0. It has to be 0. Why? Because gx is a factor of px. ये आपको गिवन था, तो बाय फैक्टर थ्योरम ये चीज हमारे पास होगी. और आप यहाँ पर डायरेक्टली ये भी लिख सकते हैं बाय फैक्टर थ्योरम. ऑलराइट. रीजन में आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, बाय फैक्टर थ्योरम. दिस मीन्स व्हाट? वैल्यू ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल p, that was x cube, that means minus 2 cube, plus a x square, a into minus 2 square, minus 7 into x, 7 into minus 2, plus b has to be 0. This is something which is given to you. This implies what? The cube of minus 2 is minus 8, plus Square of minus 2 is 4. 4 into a is 4a. Then negative into negative is positive. 4 into 2, 7 into 2 is 14. Plus b is equals to 0. This means what? You have now this and this as the like term, and this is 4a, which is not a like term with any other term, and this is b. So what we can say, 4a plus b plus 6 is equals to 0. All right, I am marking this as my equation number a. We are going to use it later on. All right, but before that, see what we have as the other factor of the polynomial. The other factor is qx, which is x minus 3. So let's move to that. That is my case number 2. So I am writing case 2 for that. Case 2, where qx, which is x minus 3, is a factor of px. That means if I'll put qx is equals to 0, I will get x minus 3 is equals to 0. That means x is equals to 3. Therefore, by factor theorem, I have just changed the way of writing. मैंने सिर्फ method change कर दिया, reason पहले लिख दिया यहाँ पर. Case 1 में मैंने reason बाद में लिखा था. This is just a different way of writing. You can choose any one of the way. All right. So by factor theorem, the value of the polynomial p at 3 has to be 0. All right. This has to be 0. What is the polynomial? That was x cube. That means 3 cube plus ax square. That means a into 3 square. Minus 7 into x, that means minus 7 into 3 plus b. It has to be 0. So 3 cube is 27. 3 square is 9a. Minus 7 3s are 21. Plus b is equals to 0. Look at this now. You can club these two terms. So I'll get 9a plus b plus 6 is equals to 0. This is my equation number b. So if I'll see my equation number a and my equation number b now, if I'll focus on these two equations now, a is this and b is this. Now this is very much easily visible to me. This is clearly visible to me that b plus 6 are same in both. All right, they are same in both. So now I have to find the value of a and b using these two equations. There is another chapter, linear equations in two variables, that you will study in class 10. But without using that, actually, we can find the value of a and b over there. What we'll do, we can do anything with a and b. We will just subtract a from b or b from a. Do any one thing. Either you subtract a from b or you subtract b from a. We'll proceed with any one way. So I'll subtract b from a. So I am writing it like this. Equation a minus equation b. I am subtracting b from a. So in the left hand side, I will have 4a plus b plus 6 is equals to 0 and 9a plus b plus 6 is equals to 0. When I will subtract, I will get these two cancelled. Minus 5a is equals to 0. That means a is equals to 0. All right. So the value of a is coming out to be 0 here. Now I have to find the value of b. So what will I do now? I'll put a is equals to 0 in any of the equation, either in equation a or in equation b. So I'm putting it in equation number a. So I'll get 4 into 0 plus b plus 6 is equals to 0. 4 into 0 is 0 plus b plus 6 is equals to 0. That means b is coming out to be minus 6. So these are the values of a and b. Such type of questions are very much important for examination point of view. Do not skip these questions. and keep posting your doubts, keep sending your doubts to me using any of the platform that you like, so that I can clear your doubt, I can help you. All right, meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye everyone.